Hello, so can you overcome a fear of driving by just pushing through? I work online with people all over the world to help them overcome their driving anxiety. And one of the most common things I hear over and over again is people saying, why can't you just push through it? My friends have told me, just keep going, just keep doing it and you'll get better. And this is something that many people simply do not understand. And I used to be one of those people. For 20 years I worked as a driving instructor, and I just didn't understand why you couldn't beat a fear of driving by just doing it, because my opinion was, well, I do it and I feel fine, so why can't other people do it? Why can't they just get on with it and push through and stop wasting your time being nervous and just do it? It simply doesn't work, and let me explain why. When you have a fear of driving, it's because your mind is making you stop driving for a certain reason. So it could have been that you've had a crash or you've had something happen. It doesn't have to be a crash, it could be many other things. It's often something you never even noticed. You were just driving one day, something happened, and you developed a driving anxiety from that. Your mind is stopping you from driving because it thinks driving is dangerous for you. And the more you push against it, the more it's going to push back. You will not fix a fear of driving by just driving. It's impossible. And some people say, well, I did it. That's not true driving anxiety, okay? I'm not talking here about people who get a bit annoyed about people speeding or a bit annoyed when somebody jumps a red light. That's not really driving anxiety. What I'm talking about is people who are absolutely petrified when they drive. People who are so scared that they get sweaty palms. Some people cry when they drive. They can't even face getting in the car and they're standing outside the car in tears. That is the kind of thing that I deal with on a day-to-day basis. And you are never going to get through it by just pushing through. So if you want to learn more about exactly how a fear of driving works, how it forms, how you get it, check out my other videos. And if you want to get over it properly with a professional, then contact me through my website, firstdrive.com. I am one of the best, if not the best in the world at dealing with this issue. I was a driving instructor for 20 years. I then trained as a hypnotherapist at what most people call the normal level, like a basic level. I then did advanced training, and I've just recently completed master training, so I'm now at the master level. And believe me, the things I know now, when I look back and I think of when I was a driving instructor telling people to just push through, just keep going, you'll be okay, you'll feel better. No, that was never going to work, and it's embarrassing now when I look back. The people I used to work with and I used to tell them to push through, it was never going to do anything. So if you want to get rid of your driving anxiety properly with a professional, contact me through my website, firstdrive.com, and I can help you. So thanks for watching. Check out these other videos on the screen there for more help with your driving anxiety. And as always, I'll see you again soon for more videos.